CleanSpace Full Face is a very comfortable product to wear if you're required to use safety helmets, hard hats. I'd like to show you how to fit that now. You can see at the back we have the strap that attaches the harness to the motor unit. Now the harness needs to be fed through the nape strap on your helmet. This is a very simple process. So with CleanSpace fitted, as you can see here, now I don't have the strap attached to the motor unit at this point. So when I put on my safety helmet, all I do is feed the strap through the nape strap of my helmet. I position the helmet comfortably on my head. I then attach the clip and I adjust. And now I have my safety helmet fitted. It is actually extremely comfortable. The harness of the mask tends to attach itself to the harness of the safety cap. It becomes a very comfortable product to wear. It has the side benefit of helping to attach makes the safety helmet very hard to dislodge. And so if you flick your head, you'll find that the safety helmet is really securely placed on the wearer. Now to take the helmet off, obviously it's just the reverse. So what we do is we disconnect the clip, just feed the strap back through your nape strap and take your helmet off.